A friend from Canada gave us some maple syrup, which we have used to make this beautiful maple syrup chicken wings recipe. This is 10 chicken wing, 3 slices of ginger cut into strips, and 4 tablespoons of maple syrup. We start by sautéing the ginger. Remove the ginger when they are brown on the edges. We are going to brown the chicken wings for more flavor in this recipe. If you wish, you could also skip the browning step and add the chicken wings straight into the pot after sautéing the ginger. This is the second batch of chicken wings. We are browning them on one side only. Add 3 tablespoons of shaoxing wine and put all the chicken wings back into the pot. Add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and the maple syrup. Add 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce for color. Add water to almost cover. Simmer for half an hour, turning every now and then to prevent the bottom from burning. This is after half an hour. We have just the right amount of sauce. There is no need to add water or to reduce. Add salt and sugar or maple syrup to taste, or add more dark soy sauce for color. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.